Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 2 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter the material prices on 3 cost workup sheets. Example item 2.1.13 Button Cluster Elevation Type 2. Column B on the sheets is dedicated to macro buttons. The first button on all sheets is the option to turn on sheet protection. Sheet protection is off in the initial configuration. Next are 2 buttons that will highlight the cells that will be protected if sheet protection is turned on. On elevation and administrative sheets, elevation sheets, buttons, clusters start at approximately row 54 below the sheet protection macro buttons. On cost workup sheets, elevation sheets, buttons, clusters start near row 54 also. The elevation sheets are elevation base, tab name is ELV BASE. Elevation door, tab name is ELV DOOR. Elevation drawer, tab name is ELV DRAWER. Elevation electric, tab name is ELV ELECTRIC. Elevation graphics, signs, visuals, tab name is ELV GSV. Elevation light box, tab name is ELV LIGHT BOX. Elevation pedestal, tab name is ELV PEDESTAL. Elevation shelf, tab name is ELV SHELF. Elevation showcase, tab name is ELV SHOWCASE. Elevation shroud, tab name is ELV SHROUD. Elevation wall case, tab name is ELV WALLCASE. Dimensions buttons table, tab name is DMNS BUTTONTABLE. The dimensions buttons table contains macro buttons for all active plus many inactive dimensions. All 12 elevation sheets are not on every cluster. The active sheet is not included in a cluster. This example 2.1.13 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 2.1.14.